Okay, this is the Springhill Suites by Marriott. It is located above the CVS right by Disneyland on the corner of Catella and Harbor. We are going to a DVC event tonight and we are staying here so that we can walk home from it with our 3 kids. It is not a long walk to the parks. Oh, and it is a beautiful lobby. Over there is a boardroom for working and a little office space over there as well. This is there's where you check in. In this direction, we do have a breakfast area. For here, lots of seating, places to work. There is seating outside as well. Over here would be where they have breakfast in the morning. There's also coffee and water for tea. And this is where they will have breakfast in the morning. I'm hoping to get a good video of that, but we will see what happens. There is also bathrooms over here, water bottle filling station, which is here. And then there are ice stations up on each floor, but that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's the whole lobby area. Down here are the elevators. Now let's go up to floor 5, where the pool and fitness center are located. So here's the ice machine that I mentioned downstairs. They should have one on every floor. We use these to fill our water bottles before we go into the parks, and then the water bottle filling stations downstairs. Before we head over to the pool, I want to show you the room because it's also right here on the 5th floor. This is 527. Okay, wow, this is a pretty cool room. There is a couch here, bunk beds. This is a pretty cool desk sitting area with a few shelves. There are some plugs here. That looks like it could be for luggage. And here is a little coffee bar area. There's a fridge, just a little fridge, and a microwave here. Then there is also a little coffee bar here. Behind me, there's a bathroom, and I totally didn't turn the lights on, but there we go. Pretty regular there. I'm pretty sure this is just under the sink, but oh yeah, there's not even anything under there. This is a nice little shower update. Let's look in here. North 39 degrees. Just a pretty regular shower in here. And then if we come along, it does have this door. These like pocket kind of doors drive me nuts. This one's little crack isn't as bad. You can't really see straight into the toilet at least. But they do let in quite a bit of light, which is kind of annoying. Oh, look, another little table on this side. That's awesome for luggage. In here we have 2 queen beds, another TV, set of drawers, and a little closet. Here, I'm pretty sure that couch in the front also turns into a bed. So that would be 3 beds in the front room. An amazing view of the backside of water. Actually, it's the backside of California Adventure, but there it is. That's the backside of Cars Land and Guardians of the Galaxy. And that's pretty much it for this room. There is also a few more plugs in here. A little bit of a, like, you know, bedside table there. It does have air conditioning and heating controls. There you have that. Okay, folks, we are on floor 5, and the pool is actually up on floor 5 outside, and it looks pretty awesome. So let's take a look. Okay. So we've got some sitting area over here, covered patio. I bet this is an awesome place to view fireworks of Disneyland right here. That's what it looks like it's for, really. And then over here, some more covered, and it's actually more covered than the other. So lots of seating. There again is the park. And back there is Disneyland. So the fireworks would be, the Matterhorn Mountain's right around there. You can't see it from right here. But then the pool is over here. Take a look at the pool area. It's not big. Looks like it's about 4 feet deep. See if we can get in the pool area. Oh, yep, there we go. Oh, that is a cute sign, though. So there we have it. That is the whole pool area. 3 feet on one side, 4 feet in the middle, 4 feet 6 on this side. Towels and a little shower area over there. And just a little bit of seating. So there we have it. That is the pool area. It is outdoor. So, and over here is the fitness center. So let's go check that out next. Okay, here we have the fitness center. Take a look. Oh, that is a nice windows. Oh, yep, elliptical, recumbent bike, another elliptical, a couple treadmills. This is probably a good view. Oh, medicine balls. This is probably a good view. The fireworks as well. Yeah, that's cool. All right. We do have machines over here and free weights, which is nice. Bench. Over here is a little area with towels and stuff. A drinking fountain's over here. So yeah, it's a small fitness center, but it has enough. It has enough that you could get a good workout in. There is a guest laundry room on this floor. I want to check it out really quick. Okay, so $4 each for a washer and a dryer, it looks like, and there are 3 of them. So I mean, if you're here for business, it's not outlandish. It's not amazing either. But that is the laundry room. Here is what the parking garage looks like. Okay, we got yogurt. This is like potatoes, eggs, lots of bagels and bread. Here's the toasters. Mayonnaise. Boiled eggs.
What's the boiled eggs?
Oatmeal and oatmeal. Over here we got waffles.
I don't know his fandom.
And apple juice, orange juice, milk. Lots. Cereal.